Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.
Okay guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix the database error in Django. The error states that you're trying to add a non-numerable field price to a book without a default blah 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 blah. Actually, before we fix this error, I'm going to tell you the causes of this error. Actually, if you have a model with existing data and you want to add a new model which has no data, so it's when this error raises, right? So let me show you something for more understanding. You can see this is model book which have already column with existing data. So a problem comes once you want to add a new column with empty data, while there are already rows with there are already rows in the column with existing data. So a best way to do this, if you have already a model with existing data and you want to add a new data, you want to add a new column in a model, make sure the new added column has option null is equal to true or has default. Let me show you something here. Here you can see the column called the price is going to be added, right? So if you want it to be added without any conflict in model, make sure you use the default. Use the default like this, right? Or you can use null is equal to true, one of these, right? Something like this. After making migration, you will no longer get an error unless otherwise delete a model or clear all content in the model, then you start to create a model from the scratch. But if you want to add a new column and it is empty, you need to add a default blah blah, default something, or default empty, or you need to add null is equal to true. After putting default blah blah and the null is equal to true, once I let me end this, right? Once you try out to make a migration, you will see everything goes okay. Python manage.py, make migration, you can see add the field price, and once I migrate, you will see everything is okay. So the problem was we want to add a new column to a model which has already existing data while the added column is empty. So that's the point where conflict rise. I hope this is clear on how you can solve this model error in Django. Actually, this is an end of our tutorial. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, put, comment, share, and subscribe for the next video update. Thank you and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.